Uh-huh. Vonage commercial? Woo-hoo-hoo, woo-hoo-hoo, woo-hoo-hoo. The woo-hoo, woo-hoo, woo-hoo. You want to sing that Vonage commercial for him? Come on. I know you like what's in that can, don't you? It smells yummy. Does it smell yummy? It does? Yeah? I love you. Yeah. I love you. What's in the can? Tell them it's your treat. So you love this stuff. So because it smells good. This is your favorite food to eat. And it makes you look bright and pretty, too. Sure does, doesn't it? You gonna sing some more? Woohoo, woohoo, woohoo. Yeah? No? No? I love you. I love you. Okay. Let's say bye-bye. Okay? Shall we say bye-bye? Bye-bye.